I can make this YouTube video without crying, but it's my understanding that Krista got grounded. Today I was struck with the news that Krista got grounded, and I don't know if I can make this without crying. And Krista's going through some stuff right now, guys. And she just needs a hand. So if you guys could comment down below and spread awareness for people who get bad grades and for people who get in fights with their significant others. Krista Grimes, I know you're going through some stuff right now, but when I say hit it. We need to spread awareness. We need to spread awareness. She did not deserve to get... No. I'm gonna get emotional. It's hard to see you cry. It is. It really is. It's hard, you know? I sat down today to talk about Krista. Krista does a lot for me. Yeah. She spoils me a little bit. If it makes you feel better, the fruit punch I drank at my house is sitting right there. Anyways, Krista. I hope that this video makes you feel better. When you're sad, just watch it.
Roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach. You know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody. Someone like you.